The issue of gender inequality is one of the primary causes where development of human community as a whole is concerned. It can be spotted in any class, caste, or creed of the society where a woman is considered inferior to a man. The only difference lies in the intensity of this discrimination. Action speaks louder than words. Then why not work with these actions and use them for inculcating ideas about gender equality into the community? Having this thought as a backdrop, Samyak started off with the first module of Dance for Gender Equality based on awareness of body, spatial awareness, expression and possibilities in the month of August 2013.
Dance for Gender Equality is an initiative taken by Samyak to basically get rid of this viral of discrimination between sexes in the society. So, to get rid of the discrimination through a medium like dance.
The rationale behind this program is basically to come up with newer methodologies to talk to adolescent girls. And because our young men and women are basically tired of routine methodologies like conducting meetings and training programs with them. So in search of newer and innovative methodologies, we decided to have Dance for Gender Equality with girls because bodies as a means of expression are being basically controlled in a patriarchal system. So why not start talking about bodies? And why not talk about emancipating the whole idea of controlling bodies, from the whole idea of control. And so we have started using dance as a medium, and we also have done a lot of literature review that shows that dance has been used in Indian setting as tool to empower women. So this effort is all about empowering adolescent girls, making them aware about their bodies, making them aware about why their bodies are being controlled in gender system and patriarchy, and basically start raising questions to this patriarchal control on them. So that's the whole idea behind Dance for Gender Equality.
6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2,
नवीन मला काय वाटायचं की म्हणजे नाही का की आपण म्हणजे कोण आहेत अनोळखी माणसं पण मुलीला कसं पाठवायचं तर कोण आहे.
So here we are working with these girls in the slum areas of Tukainagar and Premnagar. For me, it was a very challenging task to deal with these girls who come from very different culture and or from very different background. The first thing that we had planned was to work with their bodies. But then I think when I came here, the first thing I realized was to work with their minds first and to introduce them to a new culture or a new discipline altogether. Every day I find something new with them, or every day they unknowingly share something different, or they are changing, their bodies are changing, their way of expression is changing.
आले म्हणजे मी आज मी डान्स शिकले आणि दुसरी गोष्ट चित्र मी अशी चित्र काढली आणि हुशार झाले. पहिली गोष्ट तर आहे ना ती शाळेत जर अशी हे काय म्हणतात ते धम्ममठ अशी थोडी ढवळी आहे पण शिकली ती आता.
तो जेंडर इक्वालिटीज़ के सेशंस में मैंने हमेशा देखा है कि लड़कियां डांस करना बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करती है और वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से सब कुछ सिखाया हुआ डांस की वजह से करती है और उसमें से बहुत ज़्यादा सीखती भी जाती है. पहले उनको सिखाते समय थोड़ी दिक्कतें आती थी कुछ एक्शंस करते समय, बट अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस दिखाई दे रहे हैं और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लड़कियां बहुत जल्दी जल्दी ये सब कुछ सीख रही है और उनमें चेंजेस भी दिखाई देते हैं।